The intention is here to support then our activities for the advanced technologies. That means for multitask machining and Swiss machining, which are really complex things, which will be, we are the key, we are the solution supplier here from CAM perspective for the market in India, which will become a very, very important in the future for us as a company. Today is a very important day, and I'm super excited about and proud to have the opportunity to join. So GibbsCAM, or me as a president representing GibbsCAM, joined the opening of the Sandvik Innovation Hub. So what are my expectations for the Sandvik Innovation Hub? Here I have a clear vision. Until now, the different brands under the umbrella of Sandvik, or the intelligent manufacturing business area, we are working in silos. And the expectation is here that we really massively benefit from synergy. So that means that developing teams from different brands work together to solve specific challenges, let's say, and that in the end we develop in this team, let's say, one solution and which can be used by several brands. And I think that is the true benefit here, besides having great talents, open-minded people, innovative people, and really to bundle these forces. And in the end, we as a company will benefit from this, and the most important thing is our customers, because we will bring innovation much, much faster to the market, where the end users can take huge benefits from.
GibbsCAM, as we all know, Swiss manufacturing and precision manufacturing, and we have built critical mass for GibbsCAM, which is helping us to develop those CAM as well as CAD processes. So this is going to be a critical mass for the GibbsCAM in the global R&D ecosystem.